Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube video on devsecops. Today I'm going to talk about devsecops on cloud security, and my name is Gaurav Khanna. So devsecops is made of three things: development, security, and operations. And in the field of cybersecurity, it's very important to understand these things. So during this presentation, I'd be talking about the fundamentals and many things included in the cloud ops. So, what is DevSecOps? The importance of DevSecOps, the key principles, and workflow, and the tools and technologies are all going to be covered in this podcast. And as of now, the tools and technology is very advanced, so we need many things in this. And I'll also be including the challenges and solutions, getting started with DevSecOps, in conclusion, the following slides. So let's get started. The aim of the DevSecOps is to collaborate high quality and automated development programs. So high quality software delivery with automation and escalation and shutdown responses. Apart from that, it helps in various functions in software development life cycles, which is SDLC. And DevSecOps is a philosophy of integration security processes within the DevSecOps, and DevSecOps involves creating a culture of society as a code through continuous communication between release and engineers and security teams. The DevSecOps movement is like DevSecOps itself, focus on creating new solutions for complex software development processes. Mm, so DevSecOps. So what is why is DevSecOps important? The goal of DevSecOps is to close the common gap between IT and security while ensuring fast and secure code delivery. The successful implementation of DevSecOps looks like this, includes the safety test in the CI/CD pipeline and throughout the SDLC instead of something done towards the end. It makes security everyone's responsibility. For example, within the right tools, engineers should be able to view and address safety issues as a part of their workflow and native environment. Automatically enable risk detection and correction and DevSecOps tools such as software composition analysis, SCA, DAST, SAST, and ISAST. The importance and benefits of DevSecOps combines application security smoothly into DevSecOps and align processes. It addresses security issues as they occur when they are easier, faster, and less expensive to fix. Implementing DevSecOps to the driver organizational transformation and reach new heights can be daunting endeavor for CISOs. However, considering the numerous benefits associated with the approach, there are some core principles of DevSecOps to help you strengthen the gap between the two different softwares. This in This entails the incorporation security consideration from the design phase, conducting security testing and code reviews during development and implementation, security monitoring and incident response capabilities in production environments, and embrace automation. Human error is the primary cause for over 95% of data breaches, resulting in various negative consequences. Even a minor mistake can lead to a costly cybersecurity attack. To mitigate these risks, embracing automation is implementing DevSecOps can be highly beneficial, and by doing this, we can always use vulnerability scanning tools and SAST static application security testing, open source library scanning, and more tools to help prevent any data loss. Incorporation of security as a code. This needs a faster code delivery to enable frequent release, often introduces security issues. Additional traditional cybersecurity architectures and modes are becoming outdated, exposing applications to vulnerabilities. By adapting the security as a code methodology, you can incorporate security practices, tests, and politics into every setup and software development lifecycle. Infrastructure as a code is LAC, involves managing your organization's IT infrastructure through configuration code instead of manually setting up each component. By using tools like Terraform, CloudFormation, and uh, Ansible, you can define transfer infrastructure configuration in code and consistently apply security codes towards a firewall network assignment. Emphasizing threat modeling, streamline ongoing security testing. In recent times, there are a significant increase in developers releasing code faster than ever before. The over 83% attacks acknowledged in this trend to keep pace with the repaired development and prepared method. Security considerations should not be overlooked. To address these challenges, adapting automated testing processes can streamline your testing abilities. By using various type of testing processes such as static analysis, security testing, and dynamic interactive analysis security testing, it can help your business streamline these processes. By leveraging these testing methodologies, you can reduce the risk of human error. A typical DevSec workflow consists of storage like planning, coding, building, testing, development, and monitoring. Security measures are incorporated to each stage to identify the mitigate risk early. DevSecOps is an approach to the application development process, which security methods are applied to each stage of the development of the process. In addition, an important principle in the approach is shift left. Shift left is the principle that earlier security methods are implemented in development process, the less expensive and painless to fix the vulnerabilities. The shift left security, or taking a shift left approach to security, is the idea of undertaking security checking or security related tasks earlier in the software development lifecycle, often applied to testing. The aim of shifting left is to improve the efficiency of these tasks based on when they are performed and also to ensure the necessary tasks are not left until the end of the development cycle and is worst case omitted entirely. So after we have learned about the shift left approach, the traditional versus shift left, and the tools that we are going to be needing for this, we are going to the tools. So it is of greater importance for organization to invest in financial testing and increased instructional instrumentation to detect the result and resolve the issues before they can, fully explore. They can be fully exploited. Likewise, it is important that DevOps teams undertake the security department and resources to their full benefit, as well as understanding their responsibility within the control ecosystem. Here is a quick description of a continuous delivery lifecycle support. So, as we can uh, go into the detail, DevSec isn't without its challenges, such as resistance to change and tool selection. However, these challenges can be overcome by proper training, clear communication, and a well-defined strategy. So, ready to get started being by assessing your you can begin by assessing your current process and educating your team and regularly implementing security measures into the existing pipeline. And for conclusion, I am going to just say that in conclusion, DevSecOps is the future of software development by focusing on security. So thank you for listening, and